Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can delete all subscribers at once in the Instagram app. Be sure to put your likes, write comments after watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And let us get started. So, first of all, you and I will need to open the Instagram app. After that, we go to our profile at the bottom. We see at the top we have a list of our followers. So we open it up. I only have 26 of them. Maybe someone will have a lot more, a few hundred or even thousands. And if you, let's say, you want to delete just one person, then you find that person in the list. After that, next to his name you see the remove function. You click on it. And then you confirm the action by clicking remove again. And as you can see, this subscriber was immediately removed. But what if you want to remove all subscribers at once? Unfortunately, Instagram does not have such a function. There is no such button as delete all subscribers. If you don't have that many, you can do it manually, deleting each follower one by one. If, however, you have quite a few, then I do not advise in any case. For example, turn to some extraneous sites or applications that offer such a service. Because through such sites they ask for your name, also your password, in order to access your Instagram page. And it's quite unsafe, and maybe it's some scammers, or after that Instagram will block you. So it's better not to risk it. If you still need to delete all subscribers for any reason, then I advise you to click on the 3 bars at the top of your page. Then go to Privacy Settings. And here you will find the Help section. Click on that. Then the very first thing is to report a problem. In order to do that, you may need to shake the phone. And now, as you can see, we've gone into the menu, and we have a field here that you can fill out. You can write text like, "Hello, Instagram team," or "Instagram customer service. I want you to delete all my followers at once," and you can choose not to explain the reason. This will be a safer method that will help you pause. And then security will either give you their response or delete all your followers at once. That's the way you can delete either all of your Instagram followers at once or a single follower if you need to. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also write your comments and put your likes, and come on, and see you all again.